Around Fire Portable Grill Table. The Around Fire Portable Grill Table is a clever 2-in-1 fire pit and grill that makes outdoor cooking more fun and social. It lets you cook meals over an open flame while sitting around the warmth of the fire with friends and family. Perfect for camping trips, tailgates, or backyard hangouts, it creates a cozy space where everyone can gather and enjoy the experience together. The grill features a stainless steel fire mesh that works with charcoal, wood, or even gas camp stoves, giving you the freedom to cook however you like. Its foldable table design adds extra space for food, drinks, or cooking tools. Despite its size, the Around Fire grill table is surprisingly lightweight and portable. It folds down to the size of a carry-on suitcase, making it easy to pack, carry, and store. Built to fit 4 to 6 people, it's the perfect way to bring everyone together for a warm meal under the stars. Coalax Lancer 300 is a game-changing backpack for photographers and videographers. It's not just for carrying gear, it's an all-in-one mobile workstation. With a spacious 30L capacity, it easily fits a drone, a professional camera with a large lens, and other accessories. The coolest feature? A built-in 1.5-meter extendable tripod that rotates 360 degrees, so you can capture shots hands-free from any angle. Power won't be an issue either. The backpack comes with a powerful 300-watt battery, letting you charge a laptop up to 5 times. Plus, if you're outdoors, the 25-watt solar panel keeps you powered up on the go. Whether you're shooting in the city or out in nature, you won't have to worry about running out of juice. Designed for creators who need both convenience and innovation, the Lancer 300 makes it easy to set up and shoot anywhere. No more struggling with separate tripods or power banks. It's all built right into your backpack. The Kama Crosswing is the ultimate car awning for fast and easy shade. Unlike traditional awnings, it sets up in just 3 seconds, giving you instant protection from the sun, wind, and rain. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just enjoying the outdoors, this awning makes life easier. Its smart X-frame design gives it incredible strength, allowing it to withstand winds up to 25 miles per hour and heavy rain without worry. You can also adjust it to 3 different lengths, 2 feet, 4 feet, or 6.5 feet, so you get the perfect amount of coverage for any situation. Lightweight yet durable, the Crosswing is great for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It's also perfect for picnics, sporting events, or even relaxing in your backyard. No more struggling with complicated setups. Just pull it out, and you're good to go. At just $199.95, it's an affordable and practical way to stay cool and dry wherever you are. Crua X Tent. The Crua X Tent is a game-changing tent that gives campers extra space and comfort on any adventure. What makes this tent unique is its extendable height, allowing it to stretch up to 7.3 feet, 224 centimeters, giving you plenty of room to stand up and move around inside. Available in both 2-person and 3-person sizes, the X Tent is perfect for camping trips, festivals, or road trips. Setting it up is super simple. Just extend the poles, attach the rain fly, and stake it down. One person can easily pitch it in just a few minutes. The tent is made from durable, weather-resistant materials that protect you from rain, wind, and bugs. Despite its roomy size, it's still lightweight and portable, making it great for both backpacking and car camping. Whether you're heading out for a quick weekend getaway or a longer adventure, the Crua X Tent gives you the comfort of home in the great outdoors. The Decathlon Racer 500 is a reliable and easy-to-use compass, perfect for orienteering and outdoor navigation. Designed for adventurers, it attaches to your thumb, allowing you to check directions while keeping your hands free to hold a map or move quickly through rough terrain. What makes it special? First, it stays steady even while you're on the move, ensuring accurate readings at all times. Second, an extra scale on the top lets you quickly measure distances on a map, making navigation even smoother. Whether you're competing in an orienteering event, hiking through unknown trails, or just want a backup for your smart devices, this compass has you covered. At just $129, it's a valuable tool for outdoor enthusiasts who never want to lose their way. The ES30W solar panel is a game changer for campers and outdoor adventurers, offering both a reliable power source and a handy table. Equipped with high-quality solar cells, it generates 30 watts of power from sunlight, making sure your devices stay charged no matter where you are. Whether it's your phone, GPS, or other essential gadgets, this panel keeps them running without worry. What makes it even better is its smart, space-saving design. You can attach it to your backpack while hiking or mount it on your camping trailer to collect solar energy on the go. But when you're not using it for charging, just unfold it, and it transforms into a sturdy table. Perfect for setting up your gear, preparing food, or simply relaxing. Built to handle tough outdoor conditions, the ES30W is coated with a protective PE film, making it resistant to acid rain, salt water, and rough weather. It's strong, scratch-proof, rust-free, and works in both sunny and rainy conditions. Fun Shell Backpack Umbrella. The Fun Shell Backpack Umbrella is a hands-free solution to stay cool, dry, and protected during outdoor adventures. Whether you're hiking, at the beach, or at a festival, this clever umbrella keeps you covered without needing to hold it. The umbrella is attached to a lightweight backpack and opens with just a push of a button. Once fully extended, it creates a personal roof over your head, offering shade from the sun or shelter from rain. It provides 99% UVA and UVB protection, making it perfect for hot, sunny days. Weighing only 0.5 kilograms, it's comfortable to wear for long hours without feeling heavy. The Fun Shell can also be upgraded with cool accessories like a solar panel attachment. The solar panel connects via USB, letting you charge your phone or small gadgets while you're on the move. Whether you're exploring nature or enjoying a day out, the Fun Shell makes sure you stay comfortable, protected, and powered up. The Haven Tent Hammock is a perfect solution for a comfortable night's sleep outdoors. Unlike traditional hammocks that make you sleep in a curved position, this one keeps you flat, whether you prefer sleeping on your back, side, or stomach. It can hold up to 285 pounds, 130 kilograms, but for the best experience, it's recommended for users under 180 pounds, 80 kilograms. One of the best things about this hammock is its smart design. It has 6 mesh pockets to keep essentials like your headlamp or small gear within reach. The high-mounted support struts are great for hanging damp clothes or wet socks, keeping them off the floor and letting them dry overnight. Setting up the Haven tent is super easy. Just find 2 strong trees without dead branches around, as falling branches can be dangerous. Then, wrap the simple daisy chain straps around the trees at chest to neck height, and you're good to go. With this setup, you get a stable, comfortable, and well-organized sleeping space in nature. Haven Safari Review. The Haven Safari is a unique camping tent that combines the comfort of a hammock with the protection of a tent. Perfect for outdoor adventures. Made by Haven Tents, it's designed to give you a flat, comfy sleeping surface without the usual curve of regular hammocks. Whether you sleep on your back, side, or stomach, this tent keeps you comfortable all night. Built with durable 300D polyester canvas, the Haven Safari is waterproof, bug-proof, and ventilated, making it great for all kinds of weather. It's even tough enough for long-term outdoor use. What makes this tent stand out is its insulated air mattress that comes included. The mattress is padded, super comfy, and has an adjustable strap that lets you switch between lying flat or lounging upright. Jetboil Genesis Base Camp System. The Jetboil Genesis Base Camp System is a portable all-in-one cooking solution designed to make outdoor meals easy and delicious. Perfect for camping trips or outdoor adventures, it features a dual-burner stove that delivers powerful heat, from a gentle simmer to a rapid boil, with 10,000 BTUs per burner. Whether you're making coffee in the morning or cooking stews for dinner, this system can handle it all. The set includes a 5-liter flux pot, a non-stick 10-inch frying pan, and a universal lid that fits both. The entire system folds down into a compact carrying case, making it easy to pack and transport. One standout feature is the JetLink port, which lets you connect other Jetboil stoves to create a larger camp kitchen setup, perfect for group camping trips. Despite its powerful performance, the Jetboil Genesis is lightweight, easy to use, and built to last. Nash Tackle Heated Blanket. The Nash Tackle Heated Blanket is the perfect way to stay warm and cozy during cold nights outdoors. Whether you're camping, fishing, or just relaxing under the stars, this blanket will keep you comfortable no matter the weather. It's designed to fit Nash sleep systems, but works with most camping beds too. Powered by the Nash Power Pack, the blanket heats up fast and can run for up to 17 hours on the lowest setting. Perfect for long nights. The Power Pack charges fully in just 4 hours, so you're always ready to go. Made from soft, breathable fabric, the blanket feels comfortable against your skin without making you too hot. It's also machine washable, so cleaning it is quick and easy after your trip. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, the Nash Tackle Heated Blanket is a must-have for any outdoor adventure. It's the perfect solution to stay warm on chilly nights while enjoying nature. The Novadome Shelter is a durable, dome-shaped structure built to handle tough weather while offering a flexible living space. Made from fiberglass panels, it can withstand heavy snow up to 30 feet and winds up to 180 miles per hour, making it perfect for both outdoor adventures and long-term use. Opiongo Aerial A1 Review. The Opiongo Aerial A1 is a one-of-a-kind tent that combines the comfort of a hammock with the protection of a traditional tent. Designed to hang between two trees, it keeps you off the ground, perfect for avoiding rocks, damp ground, or creepy crawlies. Setting it up is quick and easy, taking around 6 minutes thanks to its two-pole design. The tent is made from high-quality materials and comes with a rainfly to keep you dry in bad weather. Weighing only 2.7 kilograms, 6 pounds, it's lightweight enough for backpacking without sacrificing comfort. What makes the Aerial A1 stand out is its pressure-free sleeping surface, letting you sleep comfortably in any position, on your back, side, or stomach. Many campers love how it feels like sleeping on air. The price is $499 cash, about $369 US, which is a bit pricey, but users say the comfort and convenience make it worth the cost. Sinhanker Portable Light. The Sinhanker is a portable and multifunctional light designed for all kinds of adventures. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need extra light at home, this smart gadget has you covered. With its telescopic design, the Sinhanker easily transforms from a small flashlight into a tall lantern, expanding from 11.5 centimeters to 39 centimeters. This makes it perfect for both focused lighting and wide area illumination. It's built to last with an IPX5 waterproof rating, so it can handle rain and splashes without a problem. Plus, the built-in battery lasts up to 50 hours on the lowest brightness setting, giving you light for your entire trip. The best part? The Sinhanker also works as a power bank, letting you charge your phone or other devices on the go through its USB port. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, the Sinhanker is an all-in-one lighting solution for outdoor lovers and home use. The Cattle Boundary Series Tents. The Cattle Boundary Series by Cicatl is a next-level camping setup designed to make outdoor trips more comfortable and fun. The series includes 2 tents, the Magic Fort and the Smart Shed, both packed with smart features to upgrade your camping experience. The Magic Fort is an inflatable ground tent that sleeps up to 4 people. It's spacious, with a living area, separate bedroom, and even space for a bathroom, perfect for family or group trips. The Smart Shell is a rooftop tent that attaches to most cars and SUVs. It comes with a queen-size bed and a built-in awning to give you a cozy sleeping spot with extra shade. Both tents are made from high-quality materials and are designed to be easy to set up and pack away. They also come with modern extras like LED lights, USB charging ports, and storage compartments to keep your gear organized.